Check buttons. This operation is used to check if the buttons on the handheld box are normal. Taking up as an example, to check buttons, do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the diagnosis interface, select 8 Diagnosis by pressing down or up and press OK. To enter the interface of button diagnosis, select 3 Key Press Diag by pressing down or up and press OK. To check the button, if the button is damaged, nothing or a wrong button name shows in the display.